In our previous lesson, we covered 0 through 10. In this lesson, we are going to cover 11 through 20 in French. 11, onze, 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 onze. Ou, douze, douze. 13, treize. 13, 13, 13. 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Et 16, 16, 16, 16. 17, 17, 17. Remember, it's 10 and 7. 17, 17. 18, 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20. Notice it's the eh as in red, but nasalized. 20, 20, 20. Notice there aren't any consonant sounds after the vowel sound, so 20, 20, 20. Let's quickly review. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20. Alright, that's it. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.